In this video, I'm going to teach you 6 compounds that are ethers, that are rings, that you should know. Let's jump right in. So I've picked 6 compounds that I think are the 6 ethers that you should start to learn to memorize. And I rank them in order of importance. So this is the simplest ether that's a 3-membered ring. And we've seen this before, but this is an epoxide. Or old school, they used to call that an oxirane. So an epoxide, 3-membered ring that's an ether. This 5-membered ring with 2 double bonds, oxygen, 5-membered ring, 2 double bonds, is called furan. This is very similar to the furan, but the double bonds have become single bonds. And this is a very common solvent. So we need to learn this one. This is called THF. And that stands for tetrahydrofuran. So it's this furan, but there are 4 extra hydrogens, and I marked them in blue, that are added to furan to make tetrahydrofuran, or THF. So this you'll encounter quite often in organic chemistry, epoxide. Furan and THF, in the lab you'll see THF quite often. These two are also fairly related to each other. This 6-membered ring with 2 double bonds and an oxygen is called pyran. So furan and pyran. So this is pyran with 4 extra hydrogens on it. So much like THF, tetrahydrofuran, this is tetrahydropyran, or THP. And finally, this 6-membered ring with 2 oxygens in it is called dioxane. And it's used as a solvent sometimes, so we'll throw that one in there. In fact, these oxygens can be in different locations in the ring. This one is either called just dioxane commonly, or it's 1,4-dioxane, if we want to be more technical about it. Where the oxygen's at the first position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th position. So 1,4 is where the 2 oxygens are. So epoxide, furan and tetrahydrofuran, pyran and tetrahydropyran, and dioxane. And I would learn them in this order, most important to least important. So depending on how much time you have to memorize, I would start on this side. I hope that helps. Those are the 6 ether rings that I would memorize. Hey, subscribe to the channel, click on some of the other ether videos, and I hope I can help you more in organic chemistry.